Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing today? It's your girl Chikelly. Welcome to my channel. So this video is about blemish spot, how to treat blemish spot. Now follow me, let me show you what to do. So, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you can receive new updates from me. And thank you so much for your support. And for those of you that are revisiting my regular, visitors, thank you. I'm grateful for your support. You had this experience where like you have a very important place to go to. Let's say in a few days time you have very important place to go to. It can be maybe you're going for a wedding, or you're going for a very special occasion, or you're even going for a date, and then close to the time you woke up in the morning, and then the next thing you saw these huge spots. Sometimes it can be like maybe one or two, and then most times like all over your face. Has any of you experienced that? Like it can be really annoying. Sometimes when you have it, it can be very painful. Yeah, especially the one that just newly came out. It's very painful, because it comes out from nowhere. And you don't have to have acne skin to have blemish spot. Most times maybe you've eaten something throughout that week that doesn't suit with your blood. Most times it can be like you use products that you're not supposed to use and it reacts to your skin. And the most common is hormonal. Sometimes, especially women, that time of the month, we just have one or two pop out there. I do have that. There's nothing I do that stops it from coming. It always comes out every month. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but effective remedy, just with only 3 or 4 ingredients. Very easy to prepare, that anytime you have a blemish spot, just apply it on those spots, regularly, and before you know it, it will clear the spot and stop new ones as well from forming. So come on, let me show you what to do and how to prepare it. So the first ingredient I'll be using today is vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E capsule is very vital for someone that wants to achieve a healthy skin, because vitamin E capsule treats a lot of skin issues. So if you want a perfectly clean, smooth skin, you should always put vitamin E capsule in. Maybe if you're using like a cream, or even sometimes a face mask as well. Just make sure if you're treating any skin issues, skin problem, blemish skin, hyperpigmentation, acne, pimples, vitamin E capsule works really well on treating skin issues. So I'll be using 1 capsule. Just pop it open like this and put it. The next ingredient is TeaTree. TeaTree has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So for someone suffering from oily and congested skin, or if you're treating acne or blemish, TeaTree oil is very essential that you use it on your skin. But don't use TeaTree oil raw TeaTree oil on your skin. And always make sure it's 100% natural, but always mix it with any carrier oil or inside your mask. Don't use it raw on your skin. It can cause irritation if you apply it directly on your skin. Another ingredient that I'm using is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties as well for treating any skin issues. Aloe vera gel helps to clear any blemish on your skin, and aloe vera gel will give you a very clear, smooth skin if you use it regularly. So I'm going to put it now, 1 teaspoon as well. So the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is Fuller's Earth Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti is very good for treating skin issues like blemishes, hyperpigmentation, acne, pimples, and for someone that had clogged pores as well, congested skin. It treats a lot of skin issues. So I usually advise anyone with that has oily skin or acne prone skin to have this in their house and be using it as a face mask 2 to 3 times a week. Regular use of it will really clear the blemish that you have on your skin. But I'm not going to be using too much. I'm just going to be using a pinch of this because we're only treating spots. Okay. So you just mix it up with your brush, or if you don't have a brush, you can use spoon and just mix it up. This is the way to apply it. So you just apply it on, I have a little spot there, so you apply it on the spot. So after applying it, leave it on for about 20 minutes because you want the product to really work on your skin. If the spot is all over your face, you can use it all over your face, but be careful because you know there is tea tree, so tea tree can be a bit strong, especially around your eye area, and even cause irritation on your skin. So be very careful if you're going to use it like as a mask. Be very careful about the tea tree because it can be a bit strong. Okay. If you use this regularly, let's say you use it 2-3 times a day, especially when the spot is new, because you need to squeeze it. You need to kill that bacteria that is causing the spot, so that to stop new ones from forming, you need to use it at least 2 or 3 times a day, and constantly use it regularly until you start to notice a huge difference on the spot. It will clear the spot and it will kill whichever bacteria that is causing it. Sometimes you can leave it overnight. It's optional depending on what you want, depending on how severe the spot is and how quickly you want it to out of your face, because it can be a bit annoying. Okay, after 15 to 20 minutes you wipe it off. You try and use your facial toner, and if you have any product in your house that contains hyaluronic acid, you apply it on that spot or all over your face, and after a few days you will begin to notice a huge difference on the spot. So I hope you like the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I thank you so much for your support, and remember, Chika loves you. Take care. Bye.